Hello, in this video we'll see how to use EndNote for collecting our references and using it for our thesis or journal publications. So this is the EndNote. EndNote is software like reference manager which is used to collect and store our references, and it is useful while we are writing our bibliography. So if you open this, you will see this is the blank page. So here all your references will be there and recently added references and things like that. And there is also an option called as the online search where we can directly search from the PubMed site. So here, if you know the author name, you can use it here. Otherwise, you can put the title or the search keywords. Say for example, immune cells in human. So if we search it, it will retrieve all the references with these keywords. So it's simple. You can see the reference here, the name of the paper, and the journal. So this is the journal, Archives of Virology, and this is the DOI of the journal. So this can be directly linked. So all these can be used for our. So you have to check each and every paper, and whichever paper is useful for your reference, you can choose them, and you can see here add reference. You can create a custom group and make it there. So here it will be given as new group, so you can give a specific name like immune cells. So now if you want to have this paper to be cited, so you open a Word file. Okay, this is an empty Word file. So when you install this EndNote, it will be integrated as an add-in with a Word file. Yeah. So you can, whenever you open a Word document like this, a blank document, you can see the add-ins, this EndNote. So you take an empty document, and here I'll show you how we can add this. Say for example, you want to use this paper for reference. So you click it, and you see this quotation mark here. It insert a citation for selected reference. So in a go, you can insert up to 250 consecutive citations. That is, in one go, you can insert all of this. So you click this, and it will be inserted. So here in the Word file, you go to the add-in EndNote 20. Here you can choose the style. Here it's given as show all fields. Instead, APS 6 is common for the journal publication. So if you use APS 6, it will be immediately formatted like this. Okay, but what about if you want to insert the abstract? You can give as annotated, and you can see the abstract here clearly. So what I usually do is I'll read through the paper, and if I see that some of the segments as important, which could be used for reference, so you can copy it and you can paste it. Then you can change the reference type, APS 6. So if for a journal, if you're using a different style, there are many styles. I'll show you how many. See, these many styles are available in EndNote. So most of the journals follow only these many styles. So now I'm going to use this Vancouver. So you see this numbering style. So like that, all the different styles can be added. And another interesting thing is, if you use this style, you can see the DOI number directly added here. So you can directly click the DOI number and get access to the entire paper. And when you save it, you can simply save as your document. So it will be saved. So anytime you open it, you can see all those references gathered here. So you can continue your writing. You don't have to search through the papers every time. So this is how we use EndNote. In the next video, I'll show how to directly cite papers from sites like Elsevier or from Google Scholar. Thank you.